Welcome. Thank you all for coming. This is Made in Brunel's first ever sketch off.
I'm Oscar. I'm a designer at Tone Design Consultants in central London. I'm actually a graduate from Brunel here in the product design course, so it's great to be invited back to the sketching competition to judge some of the sketches today, for us to see some of their work from the new generation. The quality of sketches that I've seen today has been fantastic. So it's been really descriptive, really good explanatory sketches, which is what Brunel's really strong at, describing an idea and getting to the core of an innovation really quickly, so that's great.
So the first challenge is a 10-minute sketch ideation challenge, and we want you to design a feather duster in the style of Joseph, and we want at least 3 forms on the page.
My name's Heidi Ticehurst. I'm the Product Development Manager for Infant and Preschool Toys at the Walt Disney Company. Also shown some really amazing sketches, and what we've been looking for this evening is people who could really communicate ideas through sketching, not just a really great sketcher. And I think that's thrown a few people and maybe mixed it up a little bit, so it's been really exciting and we've really enjoyed speaking to all of the students as well.
Our second prize this evening is the Anglepoise. We would like you to sketch and render the Anglepoise lamp.
So I'm Mark Fountain, and I work as a senior industrial designer as part of Zebra. I think the Brunel students have got a really high calibre. Their sketching's much better than I would have expected from the students actually. They're very expressive, they had really nice depth, and then they still manage to have interesting forms and a certain level of innovation within the designs.
Challenge 3 is we'd like you to draw a storyboard, 4 to 6 steps of either taking a book out of the library or doing your laundry. You've got 15 minutes, go.
The event this evening's quite comparable to actually being an industry, because sometimes you have very tight deadlines to work through sketches and you have to process an awful lot of information. They not only got these sketches to a high level that were very presentable at the end, but they managed to consider the brief, managed to consider technical aspects, and still managed to pull all that together in something that's interesting and innovative and compelling that you actually wanted to look at.
So the fourth challenge is going to be 20 minutes, and you have to draw a 3D exploded view of the power tool in front of you. This power tool will be in front of you for the first 5 minutes, and then it will be removed for the next 15 minutes.
Back in 2014, we tried a very new idea with curriculum development. And what we wanted to focus on was the core design skills, sketching, design communication, that focused on core drawing skills. So ideation, storyboarding, technical sketching. These year group who have organised this event tonight were the first year group to get that new curriculum. And what's happened from that is they're now in their final year and they're organising a competitive sketching competition amongst their peers.
Please could we have the 3 finalists come up to the front and stand with us so we can announce the first, second and third place.
I'm Tom, I'm in 3rd year industrial design. I'm very glad that I've won. It was a fantastic opportunity to come and do some drawing, especially in front of industry, which is always reassuring to kind of know how people are perceiving your work and see, ultimately that you will go and get a job.